Good morning, girls. We are discussing the chapter work, power and energy. And in the last class we discussed one-dimensional energy, what is the collision and what different types of collision, and in one-dimensional collision how the collision takes place. You have already seen that when two bodies are moving initially with the velocities u1 and u2, after collision what happens? The velocity of the bodies changes to v1 and v2. Now we will find what is the velocity of the first body. So in the last class we have derived that according to law of conservation of the momentum, we got the equation 1 as m into u1 minus v1 is equal to m2 into v2 minus u2. And with the help of the law of conservation of kinetic energy, we got the equation m1 is equal to u1 square minus v1 square is equal to m2 into v2 square minus u2 square. So from this equation we can write, if you cancel this equation, the equation will become u1 minus u2 is equal to v2 minus v2. This we got in the last class. So by using this equation we can find the velocity of the first body. Here the first body with how much velocity it is moving, after collision with how much velocity it is moving. Further, from the equation 3 I am writing the equation for v2. So v2 is equal to, if you bring this to this side, this equation will become u1 plus v1 minus u2. So substitute this equation 4 in equation 1. So if you substituting equation 4 in equation 1. So if you substitute this equation, in place of v2 you have to write this whole term. So left hand side is same, that is m1 into u1 minus v1, which is equal to m2 into, what is v2 here? u1 plus v1 minus u2. u1 plus v1 minus u2, and what is remaining here? Minus u2. So this equation here, u1 plus v1 minus u2, we can write minus 2u2. So m2 into u1 plus v1 minus 2u2. So here left hand side is m1 into u1 minus v1. So multiply this m1 and m2. Here it will become m1 into u1 is m1 u1 minus m1 v1, which is equal to m2 u1 plus m2 v1 minus minus 2m2 u2. So now what you have to do? Bring the v1 term to this side. So if you bring the v1, this whole term to this side, that is m1 u1 minus m1 v1. If you bring this to this side, it will become minus m2 u1 minus m2 v1. What is remaining here? Minus 2 m2 u2. So now what you have to do? v1 v1 and u1 u1. So take m1 as common and m2 as common. So v1, take v1 is equal to v1 into, here from these two terms, if you take v1 common, what is remaining? Minus v1 common. So m1 plus m2 is remaining. So from here if you take u1 as common, so u1 is equal to m1 minus m2, and this equation is minus m2 u2. Now from this equation, so take this whole, bring this term to this side. If you bring this term to this side, what happens? Minus v1 into m1 plus m2 is equal to minus u1 m1 minus m2 minus 2m2 u2. So take out this minus terms, this minus gets cancelled, all the term will becomes in the positive. So here v1, we have to find the velocity of first body. Velocity of the first body is v1. So we have to write the equation for v1. To write this equation, bring all this term to this side. That means what is remaining here? m1 minus m2. Bring this to this side. Here it is multiplying, here it divides. That is m1 plus m2 into u1 plus 2m2 by m1 plus m2 into u2. So this is the velocity of the first body after collision.